Introducing the 2016 Audi Tt 2.0 TDI S-Line Ultra 184 PS 3-door in striking red. This coupe is equipped with a powerful 2-liter diesel engine and manual transmission for a thrilling driving experience. Packed with features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and LED lights, this Audi provides both comfort and security. Plus, with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, safety is a top priority. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-spec servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can buy with confidence. Visit audikerry.ie or call us today to make this stunning Audi Tt yours before it's gone.